Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Thomas Jong Synod College, Hakar Kundai Leber Arjar Posan, Pynhap Pyrda Taïew Lehkmen, Nigga College Week, Haloka Pang, creating beautiful moment today for everlasting memories. Kabas dang nado Karpusau Trek Leber Arjar Posan, Hapalauka College. Hakaniga singa dan lang Emily ka juai mawai miki shila kumukong san, hagajinan lang ka principal ka doktor irap lang dekar, kinuhikai bar kisam la puli. Vice Principal Umar WEH Lamin, hapapnya ya kejingalang, walaupun pau ke jusngongo iki kambab hajong Umar waila miki shila, nagbenta ke college kentup ke jing itu ke sorkar jilla ya Thomas Jong Synod College juai, kumkuwai ni jaka puli hapo ke People's College Grant in Aid Scheme, bat lingba ke jingwan ke miglai games arajar posau, layo Pynhap miat ya kamadan nyeri kai basketball nala kuwe ke jinan kam, bat jimentoy jaka college. Lapan po show ya ke sengi Pynhap Pyrda, deki jing ruai ke boleh benta, deki nong job hak jing yakop repair, ke boleh penlong hapok kan kata Taïew, ke bikin thop ya ke jing yakop ruai tenrai, ke jing yakop ruai kenhun, ba ke jing yakop ruai marway. Hak ni ke sengi kongsan la pelat through ya ke magazine jang college Lumia.
Taken part in different activities and program because this is an opportunity especially to those students who are not very good in studies. Because I still remember, even I am also not that good in study. But whenever I have the opportunity, because we know, as we have different look and appearance, we have different talent. So this is a platform, especially to those students who have different talents other than books. So I think this is the right platform for you to show that your worth, your value. And through this, we could see that many talent used to come in the form of singing, dancing, in sports, and other curricular activities. So I hope that this past 1 week have really given you the opportunity and you have made use of this opportunity. 26 years of age. So many people used to ask me, because it's not easy to come and stand here and deliver the speech. It's not easy. So they used to ask me that, how could you, in such a young age, how could you contest and stand and speak and deliver your speech in front of hundreds and thousands of people? So I told them that when I was in school, whenever I got opportunity or whatever the teacher told me to do, I never say no. I used to take part in each and every activities, even though I don't know, but I still take part. So that's how I develop my confidence. So this goes the same for you. Because after this, after you pass out from this college, you will face the real world, where you will need confidence. So I hope that you are making use of this opportunity given to you. And at the same time, I would like to thank and congratulate the teaching faculty of this college who have really worked hard in imparting quality education to the students of this area and the whole of Giant Hills in particular.